Hi, my name's Graham from Instant Spa. Today we're going to show you how you put up the M-Spa. Very, very simple. It'll come in a box such as this. When you pull it out of the box, you unwind it all. The motor is inbuilt into the wall, so there's no fittings, no things that you have to do. First things first though, you need to fit the control unit because the spa will self-inflate. So once you connect the control unit, you can plug that into power and you'll be able to set up your spa. Setting up the control unit is very, very simple. There's two outlets, you just put them on like so, and they just snap into position. Once we've snap locked this control unit in place, we zip our cover over the top to make it look all nice and neat. And as I said before, the blower unit, the heater unit, and the filtration unit are inbuilt into this motor inside the wall. So there's one cable coming out of the motor which fits into your control unit underneath. There's only one way it can go in, do not force it. It simply slides in like that. Plugs into a normal power point, normal 240 volt. Okay, this is our manometer. This is what helps you inflate the spa. This part connects to the control panel. Simply slip it in, lock it in, and this part goes in the valve in the side of the spa wall. The gauge here tells you when the spa is blown up to maximum capacity, and of course we want to get it right on the line of the green and the red. In the side of the wall of the spa we have a valve. So this is where the manometer is plugged in. So all we need to do is press the bubble button. You can hear that about now inflating the spa. So in about 5 to 7 minutes, holding this in, the spa will be blown up. All it's needed to do after that, put water in it, hit the heater button, and off you go. Now whilst the spa's blowing up, I'll show you what accessories you get with it. You get this dome-shaped inflatable item which sits on top of the water once your spa is full of water. It serves two purposes. Number one, it'll retain the heat in the water, and secondly, because it's dome-shaped, once you put on your lid, if it rains and you're outside, the water just simply falls off it rather than sagging down the middle. So that comes as part of your accessories with the spa, as well as your zip lock cover. As you can see, it's got heat insulation on the inside of it to retain the heat and moisture, and obviously it's like the spa cover as well, it's made out of a synthetic leather. So this comes, you zip that on the top of the spa unit. It comes with a padlock so that you can lock the unit so no child can get in, so there's no danger of any problems there. You also get with the spa an insulation mat also, if you want to put it on pebbles or concrete so that nothing can prick or get underneath the spa. That comes part and parcel. So now you can see, in just 3 or 4 minutes, the spa is blown up. Once it's blown up, I'll have a look at the meter. The spa is now blown up to the pressure we want it to be blown up to. So we simply pull the manometer out. We do up our valve cap, put the cap on, doing it up tight. Take out our hose here. Put back your cap. Okay, we're ready now to fill it with water. But before we do, and before I go through that, let me just show you what the control panel does. So the function we have here is to turn it on and off, and the temperature is displayed here on the LCD display. If you want to turn the heater on, you press the heater button. If you want to turn the filter on, you press the filter button. These can all work simultaneously together, unlike other spas which only can filter by itself or only heat by itself. If you want the bubbles on, you simply press the bubble button. If you want to adjust your temperature, you can preset to whatever temperature you want. Obviously the optimum temperature is around about 35 degrees. So you can change the temperature. Here we've got it preset to 38 degrees. It's as simple as that. You can see that it's very, very sturdy. In fact, I'm 100 kilos. I can sit in the sidewalk. This is not a toy. This is a fair income adult spa. It'll heat up to 42 degrees. Now all we need to do is fill it with water. There is a level indicator here as to where to fill it up. And hit the heat button. It's as simple as that.